One of the biggest dangers that people have is the development of the ego and the inability to eat the humble pie and to have the beginner mindset. Like there was a guy that came into the gym this morning and he's been doing CrossFit for long enough that when I showed him the workout and he was doing a dumbbell shoulder press and pull-ups, and I showed him how to manage his load on pull-ups, and he got straight up on the rings and started doing bodyweight pull-ups, and he was doing sets of 8, but he didn't do one single rep where he could depress his scapula. He had no awareness of it at all. And when I started explaining to him how important that is to develop that and the dangers of not doing it, he got the very, very, very typical CrossFitter's look on his face, which is, I'm not regressing my move, I can do muscle ups and WODs. And he started telling me about, like, when do I start doing muscle ups, and you know, I normally do handstand push-ups in my workout, when should I do that? And like, that's something that we see so often from people that have gone to a competitive mindset style of group training, where they train with a lot of people in a competitive sort of a way, and they haven't ever really had movements, like especially upper body shoulder movements where scapular control is a part of it. They've never had it stripped back to the basics and been explained the critical importance of developing the right movement sequencing. And you know, if we talk about the pull-up, because we have had a lot of people ask questions about pull-ups since we launched the Pull Up Masterclass on Friday. You know, and why do they, you know, we've even had people starting to post videos of their pull-ups now saying, hey, there's a lot of talk of pull-ups, can I have a look at them? And there was this dude that just posted his pull-up in the Movement Mastermind that's been doing the Foundations program, and it looked amazing. He had such good scapular control. He was asking if it was a good pull-up or not. But yeah, if you don't get this stuff right, and then you go into a competitive mindset with your training, where your reasons for training are to try to match the amount of pull-ups that the person next to you is doing, rather than thinking about what's the best thing that I need to be focusing on, that's dangerous, because you not only do you develop a bad movement pattern, but you develop this ego, which I saw this morning, which is this challenge of, well, no, I'm not regressing my movement, you know, I can do 8 pull-ups, why would I regress it? And you're like, oh man. One of the biggest dangers that people have is the development of the ego and the inability to eat the humble pie and to have the beginner mindset. And when you don't have that beginner mindset, when you think that you are too good for certain things, and you get given the answer to what it is that is going to give you the biggest leap forward with your training, for a lot of people, it's too much. I perceive that as going backwards rather than going forwards, and I think, no, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going backwards.
Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel and make sure you click the notification bell so you know when our weekly videos are uploaded. Now, the best thing for you to do if you want to stay connected with us and get free online coaching is to join our private Facebook group. It's called the UMS Movement Mastermind, and we go live daily where we answer our members' questions. It's very interactive because you can post questions while we're live and we interact with you on the show. You can also upload videos or pictures of yourself with any movements, any stretches, strength training movements, calisthenics, weightlifting, anything that you're struggling with, and we'll critique you, give you feedback, let you know how you can get better. It's a really valuable resource. It allows a lot of communication with us and also our senior tribe members. You'll get answers very quickly, and it's absolutely free. So jump on Facebook, search for UMS Movement Mastermind and join now. Until next time, have a great day.